Welcome to Plant Camp. This year, my wife Sherry and I wanted to help make living the plant-based lifestyle easier and share our passion with you for a 2-week plant camp. We'll be sharing our tips and tricks on how to live plant-based every day. Plant Camp will help you incorporate more plants into your eating. We have created a guide with great new recipes: pasta dishes, acai bowls, delicious soups, summer salads, and amazing bowls. We have even included a few delicious treats. We'll be sharing cooking videos to help you gain more confidence in the kitchen and possibly some cooking classes as well, so you can cook along with us and ask questions. The guide will have weekly sample menus to help you during the 2-week camp. We also want you to take advantage of the summer bounty of farm fresh produce. Visit your local farm markets. The new recipes were made with summer vegetables in mind. But Plant Camp is so much more than just eating healthy. We'll be encouraging you to get out and move, to take advantage of the great weather by participating in water sports, hiking, biking, anything to get you moving naturally the way we were meant to move. We are also going to share methods to reduce stress and encourage better sleep habits to make lifestyle changes that stick. So, join us for this 2-week virtual event. You'll get a copy of the Plant Camp Guide, daily newsletters, and other resources to help you live a long, healthy life. Plant Camp. You can't beat it.